Right guys, here we go, Monday seedling update. First up, Isaiah, the single seed potato for 2025. His eyes are coming along quite well actually, his chits. So he's enjoying a bit of quiet time, having a bronzy under the Spider Farmer SF1000. I brought some of the taller chilies and the aubergines down from the Vitopod upstairs just to save putting the second layer on, so I can last a little bit longer up there. Trouble with putting the second layer on, see, is I'll show you when I get there, but I have to raise the light because, and I want the light as close as possible to get them growing. Rhubarb's all been potted up now, and they are leafing away since they've been potted up. I've moved the spuds around obviously because they were here, and they're just sat around all over the shop now in the greenhouse. Still checking them every couple of days just to make sure the chits aren't struggling, and the rest are up here. Look, loads of spuds. Oh, the carnivorous plants, I tell you what, I'm loving these, and I get some more of these. This sundew amazes me. I think it's the most spectacular thing ever, you know, and it's caught a few flies. Like, have they gone already? They were on, I can't see them now. They were around the outside somewhere. But they're fascinating, just so sticky. Anyway, not going to touch it. And the Venus flytrap, well, they've all closed up. That one there, look. That looks like an earwig in there. Well, enjoy yourselves. Have a good feast, guys. More rhubarb in the corner. Oh, sorry, leeks. Got the leeks sown. Need to give those a watering again in a minute. More rhubarb in the corner. The onions are still there in all the different Jeremy, corticells and agrolans, and we got some more peppers and aubergines down here. I'm going to pot these on today actually. Still nice and damp, so that's alright. I'm going to pot these on today. I don't think it's worth selling them as they are. I'm going to let them grow a little bit longer. That's the oyster leaf plant over there, that's been repotted. Cape gooseberry seedlings in there. There's the Clancy seeds, the Clancy potato. And we've got cauliflowers, celeriac, and more onions over there. That's about it down here. You can probably hear the fan heater's kicked in. I've turned it up a notch now. It's up to 17 degrees now because I've got some more of these delicate plants down here. Doesn't stay on too long though. It's only on now. It's only on now, so I've got the door open. So what I'll do, I'll shut the door. Okay, then upstairs in the Vitopod, growing very, very well. Yeah, happy with these, nice and bushy. I like the fact they're very, very bushy. The third sowing of jalapenos and red cayenne. They're sprouting quite well, germinating quite well. Nothing on those there yet on the front. What are they, number 5? That's Basket of Fire. They were slow last time, mind. So keep an eye on them. Right, what was on about? There's the light. There's the top. Ooh, let's get back a bit. There's the top of the Vitopod. There's the light. If I put the second layer on, you can see the light will be in the way. I've got to raise it up. I got it on what you call it, you know, a ratchet pulley system, so it's easy to pick up light. But the light will be a bit too far away from the plants at this stage of their life, so I'm going to leave it for a bit. And I take the lid off during the day. You may have noticed that because the temperature gets a bit warm with the lid on, so it's set at 20 and it's at 23 at the moment. So the light's doing all the work. The Vitopod itself isn't providing any heat. About 6 o'clock at night, I stick the lid back on like this. I'll show you. Hang on. Try to do it in one hand. Oh, let's get that wire out of the way. There we are. Oh, look at the pretty light. Oh, that's pretty, isn't it? Yeah, but it gets a bit too warm during the day with that on. Even though the vent's wide open there, and the vent's wide open there. Let's have a look through the keyhole again. There we are. Yeah. So I put it on at night, just keep the heat in, and I shut the vent. Once the lights go out. Lights are set on only 12 hours, 7 till 7. Plenty long enough at the moment. Oh. So let's get it off again. It's quite funny in the morning when I take it off because there's loads of condensation on the lid and my feet get soaking wet. Okay guys, that's it. See you in the next video.